All right, what's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And yeah, this is just going to be one of my final reviews of the Insta360 Go 3. I'm using it right now with the action pod inside or on it or in it, however you want to say it. And I just wanted to give you guys just an overall view of what you could expect, right? So I'm within arm's length right now. This is what you're seeing. This is me getting within inches of my face. Look at that beautiful beard. But yeah, this is what it's about. The action pod is kind of cool. Gives you the flip up screen, adds extra battery. But that's pretty much it. There's slight lag, right? As I'm talking to you guys and I'm moving my hands, about a half a second to a second lag. It's really meant to be just something for you to compose your shot and not have to reference your phone. The boost up to 2.7K is cool, right? From 1440. It'd be nicer if it was 4K. I'm sure if they are going this action pod route, that there's probably not a lot stopping it from being 4K, probably in the next iteration. But there's no expandable storage. The action pod, like I said, gives you extra battery. And you've got the screen to see and to change your settings. Makes things a lot easier. But that's pretty much it. The pod itself, I'm not going to take it out right now, but the pod itself is a little thicker, a little bigger. You've got a pendant right here. There's a bunch of things going for it that the last generation had, the Go 2 had. I don't know. This is a tough sell. If you have the Go 2, which I do, is this worth it? Hard to say, guys. Hard to say if it's worth it. If you want 2.7K, that's cool. But who is this for, right? Like, is this for someone who has a GoPro Hero11? Is this for someone who, I should say, wants a GoPro Hero11? Is this for somebody who wants a DJI Action 3? Is this for somebody who wants, the DJI Pocket? Is this for someone who, well, who is this for, right? This is mostly for someone who wants a quick and easy way to shoot footage, maybe a family, friends of their trips, action-wise. You've got the pendants, you've got the accessories. But yeah, for me, I think if you have the Go 2, you don't need the Go 3. If you have the Hero 11, you don't need this. If you don't have any of that stuff, obviously get this if you're considering it. But it doesn't outshoot, the GoPro. It doesn't outshoot the DJI Action 3. It's really for simplicity. It's really for just quick ease of use and being able to do this, right? And this is kind of cool, just having it in your hand. But again, nothing that the GoPro doesn't do, nothing that the DJI Osmo doesn't do with the Pocket, with the small little built-in screen. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Again, this is Nando. Just a quick little review of the Insta360 Go 3. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, salute, adios.